In today's video, I am going to show you an advanced trading strategy, which requires basic prior knowledge of what is a support and resistance zone and engulfing candles. The strategy can be used in any time frame and on any type of financial asset. The strategy simply uses the concept of support and resistance with the engulfing candle pattern and the squeeze momentum indicator. In my case, I will be testing the strategy in Bitcoin in the 5-minute time frame. The first thing we will have to do is select the squeeze momentum. A curious fact is that this is the most used indicator within the TradingView platform. To this indicator, we will leave all the parameters that come by default. We will only deactivate the crosses. And in type of graph, we will put it area graph. The second thing that we will have to do will be to mark with a horizontal line the support and resistance zones. More important, remember that we can realize this because the price bounced several times in those zones. Before we start explaining the strategy, there is a tool that we are going to quickly explain since we are going to be using it. That tool is the volume profile we just selected. And once selected, we mark the area in which we want it to show us the volume that the price had. To see it better, I'm going to leave you the configuration that I use. As I said, this tool shows us the volume that the price had. That is, the bigger the mountain that forms on that chart, it means that more volume was handled at that price. These areas with mountains, we can use them as support and resistance to then place our stop loss and take profit. If these zones agree with the support and resistance zones that the candles are leaving, much better. Having explained that, let's explain the strategy. We will buy if there is an engulfing candle in a support zone, and the squeeze momentum is light green or dark red. In case the engulfing candle is very clear and we are sure, we can ignore the squeeze momentum. We will place our stop loss a little below the engulfing candle and the take profit in the support and resistance zones, helping us with the volume profile, with a minimum risk-benefit ratio of 1:1. In case we want to make a sell trade, we will make it if there is an engulfing candle in a resistance zone and the squeeze momentum is in light red or dark green. In case the engulfing candle is very clear and we are sure, we can ignore the squeeze momentum. We will place our stop loss a little above the engulfing candle and the take profit in the support and resistance zones, helping us with the volume profile with a minimum risk-benefit ratio of 1:1. Let's see some more examples. And ready. I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.